Hello, everyone. My name is Jeanette Libre, but you can call me Teacher Jean, and I'm from the Philippines. In this video, you will know how I became a full-fledged teacher and also some of my characteristics that qualify me to be one of your teachers. On year 2017, I graduated Bachelor of Arts in English Language with an honor of cum laude. On the same year, I decided to take teaching certificate program where I enrolled some teaching units to be eligible in taking licensure exam. After I took the short course in teaching, on year 2018, I had an opportunity to be a teacher in a Montessori school where I teach students from grade 1 to grade 6. And gladly, on year 2022, I became a licensed professional teacher. With my background in English studies and in education, I know that I'm suitable to be part of foreign English teacher program in Taiwan. I'm also passionate and patient in teaching. I also know how to adapt with the changes that's happening in the world, more specifically with the technology, because it helps the teacher to execute their lesson in the classroom even better. My creativity and innovation in creating lesson will also help me to make the class more interesting, that my students can be excited and engaged in studying English language. I can commit my full ability and knowledge to teach my students not just to speak the English language, but also to use it in their future. I understand how important is the communication in the success of one person and his country. I still have a lot of experiences and lifelong learning to share, not just with my students, but also with my co-teachers. It would be a great pleasure of mine to be part of your school sooner. Hoping to see you in Taiwan. Thank you.